Hi y'all, I am reviewing the Norbi Monocular-Telescope. It functions wonderfully as a telescope on its own. I will be using it as a monocular when I go bird watching next week. I think it will be great for that. But it comes with a tripod. Unfortunately, when I was playing with the legs of this tripod, you can probably already see it is broken. This top here, you might be able to see the rougher edges of that metal piece there. It appears that it was soldered to this piece, and I didn't think I was being all that rough with it, but it was apparently too much, and I have not been able to get it to go back together. It just, well, maybe I can get it on camera here. I've already tried this for a while, y'all, and I couldn't get it to work before, so yeah, it's just not going. Plus I only have one hand here. Well, it feels like it's on, but then it comes apart, so that's unfortunate, because the tripod was a good touch and a good idea. This wrist strap, I still have to install that. This was part of the tripod as well, but this is basically useless now. The tripod part is. So that's just really unfortunate, but it's a good monocular telescope. And I know these things aren't usually cheap, so I'd say it's still worth the money. Anyway, I hope you have found something about this review useful. Bye for now.